Hey, welcome back. This is the third lesson in the course, and what you're going to be doing this time is you're going to be researching lifetime activities. You can read about it right here by clicking on this link, and it will explain kind of the importance of lifetime activities and give you some examples if you are unsure about what they are and where to start looking for examples. So, what you're going to do is you're going to choose 5 different lifetime activities an individual could do in order to stay fit as they age. There's specifically, I want you to find where they're available locally, such as athletic clubs, fitness clubs, associations, parks and recs programs. Manheim Township Parks and Recs has a great program. Hempfield Rec has a great program. Lancaster Rec has a great program. The Lancaster Ys have great programs. So those are all places that you could look to see where people in different ages of their life stage could continue to be social and work on their fitness. So when you find these places, you need to look at their fees, if they cost anything, if they're free, age groups, skill levels, or anything else that you could potentially see interesting for your research. There's plenty of things out there. Also, if you're looking at colleges, look at those parks and recs at colleges to see how you could continue to work on lifetime activity even in college after interscholastic sports or your athletic career at high school is over. So what you're going to do is you're going to take all that information and you're going to put them in a presentation tool. I don't care what you use. I want to leave that open to you. You can use whatever you feel comfortable with. But you're going to put that together and then you're going to talk us through it and present it using a screencasting tool like you have previously. With one of those lifetime activities, you're specifically going to relate them to the components of fitness. Everything should tie back to being fit and what that entails and how that relates to different activities that one might choose. And as always, respond to 2 of your peers, and you can download it or upload it, post it into the lifetime activities discussion. This is an example of one here. All right, so it's pretty linear, colorful. That's all the information for an example. Then you would just talk over this and so that walk us through all the information that you've found. So that's there for your, if you're interested in looking at that. And then you can see the rubric there. And again, I really want to stress the importance of discussion board expectations, higher level analysis and critique, outside material brought in, extension of posts with new info, and the addition of related topics. Most of you are just doing the minimum. That's why you're seeing that you're getting a 3. Some of you are barely doing that and you're just agreeing, and that's getting you a 2. So if you want a full 5 out of 5, you must bring in additional elements into the conversation. If you agree, why do you agree? Attach an article or research stating why you believe it is, or disagree. You don't always have to agree. You can disagree, but you need to be able to back it up. Okay, so that's what we're doing this week, and I hope you have a great time researching and find something interesting that you're willing to share. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I am always available.